They did an awesome job with that. I feel so bad because
Right.
Anthony might not stick around for very long with the warming temps.
You know, we ran this story in the 6 o'clock when I was doing the weather, and I had mentioned how right around Dearborn, which is in Wayne County, virtually, right next door to Detroit, they got to 47 degrees this afternoon. So, yeah, that snow and ice that was utilized to put that chapel together, boy, probably took a big hit today, as well did our snowpack in Grand Rapids. When I was driving into work, about 2:30, you could already see some grass showing up in between the highway. The highway that the one side goes one way, one the other, and it was just pretty amazing that 43-degree high temperature. But I've been talking about this. A 43-degree high in late February is different than a 43-degree high in January or December. The sun angle is much, much higher and brighter. You've probably been noticing that on these sunny days recently. It's just overall lighter and brighter out there, and that higher sun angle has more energy. It can melt off some sunshine. Now, the sun is not going to be as prominent overall tomorrow. There will be clouds increasing during the morning, and I think those clouds will carry into the afternoon to some extent as well. There can be a few breaks in there. I can't rule that out in the morning, but I think the better chance is probably mid to late afternoon. Nonetheless, not as much sun, but we're going to propel back to around 40 to the lower 40s once again. Officially, I've got 41, and you'll notice it's 41 at noon, and then I've got 40 at 4 p.m. How can that be? Well, there's some cooler air trying to advect in, and that cooler air is not really going to drop us off a whole lot, but it can stunt the warming process once we get beyond the noon hour, level us off, and then perhaps even lose a degree there towards 3:30, 4 o'clock. Nonetheless, lower 40s, we'll take it for tomorrow. Comes after highs today in the lower to mid 40s, even an upper 40-degree temperature in Three Rivers. That brighter spot on the left side of the screen, that's just model air. It was not excruciatingly warm there in just a couple counties of Wisconsin. This is more like it, though, with the color coding now. Current temperatures on the board running actually in the upper 30s for a lot of us. So these temps not dropping off. And though we may lose another 2 or 3 degrees, something like that, get down to maybe 34, give or take a degree in Grand Rapids, it's not going to be much more than that because we've got a fair amount of these high and mid-level clouds. I stepped outside recently, and there's clouds up there. You can't see any stars. There may be some waves where weaknesses do come in overnight, but overall, partly to especially mostly cloudy conditions, and winds will be picking up a little bit towards daybreak as well as the next weather system passes off to our north. You can see winds out of the south or southwest at the current time. They have lightened up from earlier today, but they will pick up again tomorrow. More clouds on Wednesday, but mild lower 40s. Next chance for rain or snow shower overnight Friday into early Saturday morning. Not a big system. The overall mild pattern to continue. Look at these numbers. I mean, once we lose the 40-degree temperatures for Thursday, get a little bit cooler, we'll jump back up. Friday, Saturday, and Sunday will be mid-40s Saturday and Sunday, and then a slightly cooler phase there Monday and Tuesday before I think the warmth recharges once again thereafter. Live radar doesn't have a whole lot on it. We'll take it out just a little bit. More sensitive radar kind of indicates that there would be some sprinkles or light showers nearby. Most of that not reaching the ground. This system is going to send most of its energy off to our north. So it takes a track across central Wisconsin into the upper part of the lower peninsula. And the snow and rain will be mainly along that track and to the north of it. This system into the Pacific, that'll impact us with a couple rain or snow showers overnight Friday into Saturday morning. You see on the southern end of the system, the clouds aren't real well organized tomorrow, so there could be a few breaks for sun, I think particularly late day, but certainly not anticipating anything in terms of precipitation other than maybe a sprinkle up towards Big Rapids overnight tonight. You get into Thursday and Friday, it's pretty quiet. I'll tell you what, Derek and Janice, Friday is going to be pretty much a duplicate of today. Up around 40, unlimited sunshine, maybe a cloud or two. That's it. And then the weekend, although I've got those snowflakes and rain droplets in there, that would be very early Saturday morning, a rain or snow shower, perhaps a rain or snow shower Sunday. I'm not looking for accumulations, obviously, with temperatures in the mid-40s.
Right. Little heat wave there for us. Still